Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. Since it's already 11 o'clock, okay, let's start our session reciting Al-Fatihah. Okay, we have Brother Hadi, who will be our presenter or trainer today. But first, let me tell you a little bit about Microsoft Word. Okay, it's a word processor released by Microsoft in the 25th October 1983. So it has been like 37 years, okay, that people have been using Microsoft Word. So to date, you can use Microsoft Words across all over devices, okay, from your laptop to your smartphone. So I don't think this is a very alien to all of us because we all use Microsoft Word for our teaching and also for our daily work. So I'll pass the session to Brother Abdul Hadi from QLD CFS to share with you tips and tricks for editing and proofreading using Microsoft Word. So over to you.
All right, thank you, Sister Fifa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, good morning. So, I hope that everyone is fine, inshallah. All right, so I'm going to present about the Word 365. So, I hope that everyone is installed 365 in your laptops. Or otherwise, it's going to be difficult to understand what I'm talking about. All right, so I guess I just share my screen. All right. So today we're talking about Office 365, Microsoft Word for revising, editing, and proofreading. And basically, I will talking about three things: is revising, editing, and proofreading. But first, I want to talk about proofreading first because it's quite easy to understand first. All right. So proofreading. Okay, proofreading initially in Microsoft Word is built in for English, but it's not for Arabic or Malay. Right? If you can see in your Microsoft Word, I guess is not tick in Arabic or Malay. Right? So basically, Microsoft Word or Microsoft itself has built the proofreading for the Arabic, Malay, and also other languages. Just that if you can, if you know how to use it. All right. So first, let me. Actually, I have the link for you guys to download. I will put in the chat. All right. This one is for I guess is Arabic. All right, Arabic 64-bit, and this one is for Malay. Sorry, Malay for 64-bit. And this one is Malay. Right, so you have to know either your computer is using 32 or 64-bit. So how to know? You just open the File Explorer. For example, this is my laptop, and you click desktop. Sorry, it's not desktop. This PC. Then you click System Properties. Then it will come like this one. Right, so it mentioned to you 64-bit operating system. So if you have different version, it is 32. You should download another one, this one. But I guess is everyone is using 64, but I just paste it. Okay, this one is the link for the yeah, okay, right, right, that's all right. So okay, okay, after you install, okay, let's say you install, so you can get the mark, the language mark as ABC is ticked. So meaning that they recognize your language and we can do something about that. All right. For example, in Arabic, right, in Arabic, this word is wrong because why? Because it's a Hamzah Qata. It should be Hamzah Wasal. So with the proofread or with the we call as tadqiq imla'i, it turns that it's wrong. So you can make it correct. It's automatic from Office. And also Malay, for example, see, but Office didn't recognize what language is this. So we have to change from English to Malay, right? So it becomes like this because and it would say why it's wrong because ejaan is wrong. So no suggestion. So but the word knows what's the true ejaan is. So it should be kenapa. So this one is for the proofread, right? So any question about proofread?
No question.
All right. All right. I've forgot to mention about the Arabic as well. For Arabic user, you have to go to File, More, and Option, and go to Proofing. Here you mention Arabic straight initial alif hamza and straight fanaya and straight ta marbuta because in Arabic world they do not uh, they do not pay attention to these. So as we as the lecturer of the language, so we have to pay attention about these things. So we have to tick everything because we want to strict initial or final or tamabuta. Sometimes it doesn't clarify. It's not clarified, but it's just like just for example, let's say I didn't think about the I didn't think about tamabuta. So this word should be correct in terms of not strictly the tamabuta. But if you take this tamabuta, it become wrong. Should be become wrong because we meant to be hurfa. But maybe the word meant to be qarafahu, maybe, right? And the other thing is you for Arabic we have synonyms as well because istighfar they don't have any synonym. Maybe ghurfa, maybe we can see hujra, khaliya, suma'a. Maybe we can change into whatever we want. Right? We have another synonym. And treasurers also. Right? So there is no dictionary for Arabic, only for this one. And for Malay only they can uh they can notify the words only. You can't they don't have any treasurers for Malay. Okay. Right, so that's the first I guess the first thing from three things, right? So I said, so after you install, before this it will be like English Malaysia or English US. Then after you install it will be like Arabic and Malay will be ticked, or any languages that you like, because in the oh sorry, right. So in the office, they have many languages that you can select. All right, so I'm going to revising. Okay, first for revising,
Ustaz,
yes.
عندي سؤال. هل يمكن أن نستخدم 2016 or 365 fakot? Boleh tak guna
Mungkin,
2016?
mungkin.
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 Okey, syukran.
Okay, for 2016 or 2013 or earlier, you have also, let me show to you, Arabic proofing tools for 2016. Right, for those who use 2016, sorry. All right, where is the thing? Sorry for that. Okay, maybe you can do one thing. I just cannot find the link. You can go to file and go to more option, and you can go to language, and you click here. In 2016 also same, 2013 also same. You can click and it will go directly to the website just to download. All right, so you can do it 2016 or 2013 and even 2010. Okay, this one. All right, so which language do you need? So maybe Arabic. So 2016, it shows how to install, and also 2013 and 2010. Okay, for Malay version, you have for 2016, 2013, and I guess 2010 is not available for Malay. Right, because support for 2010 ended on October 13 this year. So whoever you still use Office 2010, you have to upgrade. Okay, I just copy the link and post into our chat room, and maybe you can search whatever language that you need. Right, for second is revising. Okay, for revising, first you can go to the, sorry, what's this? Right. You can go to insert, then get add-ins. This one, get add-ins. And you can have all the add-ins in the Microsoft Word. And these add-ins apply to Microsoft Word only. So let's say if you want to add in Microsoft PowerPoint, you have to do it manually, one by one, right? So for example, I do with I install is check mark, right? Search check mark, then you add, you click add, and just continue. and will be appear here in the home tab. All right, got it. All right. So what it functions. So the function is you can put you can actually is make it easier for you to make sure that you check capitalization for the students, check for the fragments, check the punctuation and everything, right? So it just set up a template for you and you just can click. For example, I done with my student last semester. So for example, the answer is 0, so I put as 0. It's wrong, sorry. So it's wrong, so I put it as 0. Then this one is 1 and 1, so I just put as 1. 1 mark. Okay. For mustaqbal, maybe the answer is, I guess, is 2. So 2 marks. Maybe you can put a comment, check your spelling. So S, check your spelling. For example, this one, check the tense. So you can just click the tense. Or you can put your own template. You just click here, click the pencil, and click add. Just scroll down and just click add. Right? Maybe 0 is wrong. 0 is wrong. For example, it indicates it's a wrong. Good. G. Good. So it makes the commentary is easier. Right? Maybe I just put okay, G is a good, right? So the comments will be appear to you and to the student as well. If you want to delete, so you have to delete. Just right click and delete the comment. Like you have to do one by one. All right. Okay, that's for revising. And also, okay, for the third one. Okay, for the third one, it should be the editing. I just combine editing and revising. Okay. This tool is benefit for you guys rather than the students. For example, uh, I guess the English department has the question of summarize and paraphrasing, so you can get an ins and you search Gilbert, right? So Gilbert's is save time immediately, improve your writing with Gilbert's paraphrasing and summarizing tools. So you just add and it's built in on the tab. It's only tab itself. So launch Gilbert. So it helps you how to paraphrase, but it's only for 1000 characters. Oh, this one is more. Maybe I just give one paragraph. It's like 760. So just paraphrase. right? So you can put insert the paraphrase that's the paraphraser, and the other is summarizer. Summarizer is more, 5,000 words. Okay, just summarize. This is the summarized version. Or you want to make more lengthy, you can just adjust the length, for example. So you just re-summarize, and you can insert the summarized version in the text. Alright, so actually that's it. Just a brief, and I guess it's very beneficial for us as a lecturer to use these kind of add-ins. This is the, let's say, the sorcerers, tukang sihir. So you can do anything with these add-ins. Right, so you can add Wikipedia. I guess Wikipedia is a built-in. Yeah, you can see there's a Wikipedia there. Let's say you are a mathematics lecturer, in case we have, so you can put diagrams, and you have many things to actually discover in the add-ins. I forgot to mention about the one more thing that I downloaded. It's a correct and improve. It will check for you the characters, the words, sentence, syllable per words per sentence, and the readability, grade level, reading time, speaking time. But the problem is the grammar, because it only available for 9,500 words. So this article is 38,750 characters. So it up this feature only up to 9,500. So maybe if you can, maybe I can get rid some of the it's still in the I guess 9,500 is just like 3 pages of. All right. So, okay. Oh, more than 10 pages, right? All right. So you have to sign up. Or maybe it doesn't function in my laptop. So maybe you can try. Okay. Right, so there are more tools in the add-ins. For example, if you put grammar, you have like a bunch of tools that you can add, and you can make it I would say try and error, because I just used this one, and the other one was the killboard, and also the check mark. But also you can have another utilities, references, if you want to add dictionary to your words, or maybe you can put pro writing aid. Maybe you can add, and you can discover which one is better, which one is not function well. So it's also mentioned about best apps in the year, but it doesn't. Okay, this is the best apps. For example, as I mentioned about maths, and we have the, for example, for education, for us, we have Wikipedia, Lucidchart, Math Type.
Yeah, Brother Hadi,
Yes,
Sisters Salsabila asked whether you can share the link or show again the steps to add the editor add-in.
editor add-in. Alright. Editor add-in. Which one? Editor add-in. Is it this one?
Yes, I think that one.
This one, I guess, is built-in.
Built in.
Built-in is, yeah, it's built-in.
Hadi, I have a question.
Yes.
When I switch on my Microsoft Word on my computer, okay, some of the buttons are really simple, doesn't appear like yours. But when I log in online, okay, from office.com, the
Right.
buttons are almost the same. Okay, but the one that I
But
have on my laptop, okay, they don't allow us to do add-ins. But dia kata this is restricted by UIA.
oh, tak
So I
tahu pula.
cannot add check mark and anything there.
Oh, I don't know, because I use IUM ini memang,
You use your own personal account to Hotmail.
yeah, then
Okay.
I add to my live.
Okay, live account. So we can just do add in after we use our own personal account, maybe?
Yes, maybe we can try.
Okay. Okay, but the online version have extra buttons there, including dictate and also the editor button.
Oh, okay, for this one, right? Editor dictate ni.
Yeah, the same one. Yeah, this is the same as the one that I have seen on the online version. So if Salsabila cannot see this or use this in your laptop, you can just open Microsoft Word using office.com.
Dictate you have to install that. Oh, okay. So okay. Seriously, I didn't know about the restriction about add-ins. Oh, I just click and it just appear like this.
Yeah. Okay, only for IIUM account because this is under ITT, I think.
Maybe, I guess. So my primary account is my Hotmail account, but the second is my IUM account. So maybe you can use this method. Maybe you can put your personal account first, then you can put IUM second. Maybe that's my suggestion. Is there any question? I guess I just explained everything that I know about the add-ins and the proofreading, actually proofreading tools.
Yeah, is
So
there
I
any
just
other tips and tricks that you can share with us? How to use the dictate button?
okay, for dictate button, you okay. I happened to click last night, right? So dictate button is you just click dictate. Hi, how are you? Okay, you can choose the languages. It only appears English for as I can speak. So I just thank you. Hi, I good morning everyone. So today I'm going to talk about 365.
Ustaz tunjuk lagi sekali Ustaz, Ustaz tekan apa?
Mentah.
Oh, dictate ya, tapi nak ambil nak install kat mana tu? Dictate.
Dia dah ada dalam ni, dah ada dalam 365. Tapi English je. Sebab Malay, ma indana Malay, ma indana Arabi. Cuma English ataupun if you can speak Chinese or Italian or Spanish, then you can use dictate. For example, Chinese. 上午好，你们好。Okay, for example. 我是 Hadi. Right, so this for Chinese. For example, Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, señora, ¿cómo estás? This is the Chinese. Hola a todos, ¿cómo estás? ¿Todo bien? Right, so that's the Spanish. 감사합니다. Oh, it's not playing. 감사합니다. 안녕.
안녕하세요. Keluar.
네, 안녕. Doesn't appear, so I don't know why. Maybe it is a beta version, so maybe. 안녕. 안녕하세요.
Urdu ada Urdu.
Boleh cakap mah?
Beribadat di kuil.
Right, so okay, that's for dictate. And editor as editor I guess is it shows you the spelling, grammar, clarity, conciseness. Okay, is a conciseness and formality, punctual conversions, and vocabulary. Actually, is in 2016 or earlier is under the grammar as well, but in 365 it still as itself is here, or check spelling and grammar in editor. And dictate is quite fascinating, but only for English users, English or Spanish or Mandarin. Yeah. And Sir Amnan can speak Hindi also can, because I guess there is a Hindi here. Yeah, we have Hindi. I cannot speak Hindi. So the other, I just came across with the plagiarism. Plagiarism. With the I, right? Right, so maybe we can use this one to check the plagiarize of the work. Where's the thing? Okay. Alright, sometimes it takes time to use these apps or these add-ins. For example, this one. Maybe it's not suitable yet, but it's in the add-ins also. Alright, so any question?
Okay, if you have any questions on tips and tricks, general ones, not only for editing or proofreading, you can just ask.
Yeah,
Tapi kan Nabi Muhammad. Yang mana kan
yes,
yang
Ustaz.
benar? Sedihlah. Yang dua ni salah.
Saya Ustaz.
Bagaimanakah Buddha
Assalamualaikum.
mendatangkan
Ustaz Hadi, how about the dictate? How can we install the dictate or what do you got? Let me check.
Maybe you can bring your laptop and I will see how I can help with, because I don't find any problem in that in my case. So maybe you can bring your laptop and I can see what happened to your laptops. You can see what happened to your version of this one.
Okay, insyaAllah.
Pilih pernyataan yang salah.
Alhamdulillah.
Right, thank you, Ustaz Hanif. And another question, you have any question, you can ask. I will try my best to answer your question.
I think another alternative for you to use the dictate button, if you don't update your Microsoft Word on your laptop, just use the online version. From
Actually, you can use in Google Translate. Actually, yeah, really.
Oh yes.
For example, Arabic. Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kaifa halukum? Atamanna lakum fi siha jayida. Right. So we can use this. But in Malay, I think they don't have. Oh, ada juga. Saya ada. That's the easiest one. You can use Google Translate.
Okay, if you don't have anything else to ask, okay, please clock out, okay, using the same link shared earlier, okay, or we can meet for our EDUCALL clinic later. Okay, sorry for the noise. People are vacuuming outside my room. All right, so That's all, Brother Hadi.
All right, that's all from me. Thank you. And sorry for like Ustazah Sabaria. She find is quite fast, so I'm sorry for that.
Okay, we'll have a separate EDUCALL clinic later for you to catch up. All right, so that is all for our short meeting today. Okay, let's end our session by reciting Surah Al-As. Right, don't forget to clock out using the same link that you have used to clock in just now. Okay, it is open until 12 p.m. Okay, thank you, Hadi.
All right, bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Kak Bib, Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Lepas tekan time out tu dia jadi green button time